What's going on, ladies and gents? In this video, we're going to learn exactly how to set up your paper lead agency so that you can automatically capture trusted form certificates and send them over to whichever client purchases your lead. This is amazing for compliance, and it should be one of the features that you showcase to your client to confirm that you're going to be sending them good quality leads. So we need a few things here. The first thing we need is our ActiveProspect account. You're going to need your LeadSwitchboard account, and you will also need to have your domain registrar open so that you can verify the domain. And then I think you're going to need a payment method as well to add funds to your TrustedForm wallet. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to to our account, and we'll go to settings. Not this one. We're going to go to, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. We will find the API key here for TrustedForm, and we're going to LeadSwitchboard, settings, integrations, ActiveProspect. You paste your API key here, make sure both these are checked, hit connect, and your account should be connected. We will need to also verify your domain. So to do that, we're going to hit add domain, or actually I've got my domain here already, but if you don't, you can just add domain, and we'll hit these three dots, verify ownership. We'll copy this txt code, and we're going to paste it in the DNS settings of our account. So insert the code, DNS configuration for your root domain, legalaccess.com, and txt. They've not mentioned what to put. Okay, let's just put at save. Okay, so txt record at save for ActiveProspect and begin confirmation. Okay, so this will take probably a day for to confirm. Once it confirms, you'll be able to start capturing your certificates. The next step is you're going to go back into your LeadSwitchboard account and go to forms. If you don't have a form created already, you can just create a new form. I have this is my form that I'm using in my funnels. All my fields are added in here. You just go to settings and make sure you have this trusted form certificate toggle checked on, and it should save automatically. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You're going to start capturing your trusted form certificate, and it will show up like this, where you'll have a link at the bottom. Once it's all set up, you'd be able to see the trusted form certificate over here. But anyway, so yeah, first thing, verify the domain. Second thing, capture the API, paste it into your integrations, switch on the toggle, and then when you go into your funnel and you can submit a test lead, it's going to capture that certificate. And when you have a buyer that purchases the lead, it's going to send the certificate along with that lead. If you watch this video till the end and you're looking at lead distribution software for your paper lead agency, consider LeadSwitchboard. It's the only software on the market that allows you to use it for free. You can sell and distribute up to 50 leads per month without a paid subscription. And go to leadswitchboard.io, click the start for free button, and you'd be able to put in your agency's name. You can choose a subdomain that will be your login link for yourself and your clients. Select your country. If you're working with home service companies and you need zip code level matching, which means the lead enters their zip code and your client enters the list of zip codes they service and it matches according to zip codes, choose zip code. If you need state level matching, which would typically be for law firms or for, let's say, insurance agents or any other niche that requires state level matching, select state. Location doesn't matter at all, and your clients can take leads from anywhere in the country. You can select country. They'd be able to select United States, United Kingdom, the countries that we service. Agree and click continue, and you'll be able to access your free account and start using.